Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I have some nail mail that's arrived. This was from a competition that I won on Instagram. So look at the box, it's beautiful. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open it up and let you see what's inside. So this is from Gelica. So we have some of their Acry Gel, and that's crystal clear. We have some of their soft pink Acry Gel. We have some colour, ultraviolet it's called, gel polish. We also have top coat, base coat, base gel. We have this foil box full of foils, so it's obviously the designer foils. And we have some glitters. So we have this one here. This is a Sonia Williams glitter, absolutely stunning. I think they're actually all Sonia Williams glitters. We have some little stars, some blue dots, and some pink glitter as well. So Cosmopolitan Shards that is. Blue Lagoon Bubbles. We have, that one's not got a name on it. Purple Haze. And Citrus Fizz. So really happy with this prize that I received, and thank you very much for choosing me. Anyway guys, I'll leave some photos, and thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.